They're easy, versatile, and completely customizable. Let's take a closer look at crafting your own homemade vinaigrettes and dressings. All dressings are cold, uncooked sauces that contain both a fat, such as oil, and an acid, such as vinegar. A vinaigrette is just one type of dressing, characterized by its thin consistency. Just like warm cooked sauces, dressings bring dishes together. Think sandwich spreads, vinaigrettes over meat or fish, or peanut dressing over tofu. Traditionally, the ratio for vinaigrettes and dressings is 3 parts fat to 1 part acid. This is a good starting point, but trust your taste buds overall because a lot of factors can influence this ratio. For example, different vinegars have different acidities. The flavor of your emulsifiers, your add-ins, and the dish to be dressed itself should also all be taken into consideration when building and balancing your dressing. As we know, oil and vinegar don't mix or emulsify naturally. Considerable mixing action is required to create an emulsion, breaking the oil into tiny bits to mingle with the vinegar. There are a few different ways you can emulsify a dressing. A food processor or blender will provide the tightest emulsion with the tiniest bits. The second tightest is the fork or whisk method, followed by the shake method. The tinier the oil bits, the longer the emulsion will last. To last even longer, emulsifiers like egg yolk or mustard are added to help bind the oil and vinegar together. Emulsification is important because separation won't just happen in your mixing bowl, it will happen on your plate too. When separated, oil coats food, causing vinegar to run off and drop to the bottom of the plate. An emulsified vinaigrette will cling to food and evenly distribute flavor. Homemade dressings should be stored in the refrigerator in an airtight container and will generally last as long as the ingredients in them. We're whipping up a classic herbaceous green goddess dressing for a BLT on ciabatta. Homemade dressing is the way to go. So get creative, trust your taste buds, emulsify well, and enjoy.